In this activity, we will find the LCM of two numbers 10 and 4. And to do that, we will use paper strips, glue, a pair of scissors, and we will stick all of these on our worksheet. But before we begin the activity, let us first try to understand what is the meaning of LCM. M over here stands for multiple. Multiple means repeated addition. So a multiple of 10 would be 10, then 10 plus 10, that is 20. Again, when you add one more, plus 10, 30. Basically, nothing but our multiplication tables of 10. So our 10 times table are multiples of 10. Now multiples of 4 would be our 4 times table. 4, when we add one more 4, we get 8. One more 4, we get 12, and so on. So our 4 times table are multiples of 4. Now we need to find a common multiple of 10 and 4. This means that we need a number which is a multiple of 10 as well as a multiple of 4. And not just any multiple which is common, we need the least common multiple or the smallest common multiple. So let us see how to find that out using paper strips. In this activity, we are going to use pieces of paper strips to show the numbers and their multiples. We will use the green strip to show multiples of 4 and the yellow strip to show multiples of 10. Now, the length of the strip will decide the number that we want to show. So, to make multiples of 4 from this green strip, we will need to mark out a length of 4 on this strip. Now we are going to use the markings that are provided on the worksheet to do that. Let us see how. For making pieces of green strip of size 4, make sure that you align this strip in such a way that it is in line with the left edge. Now we can use the marking which is provided on the worksheet to mark out pieces of 4. Take a scale and make sure that you can see the markings of 4 on the top as well as the bottom. And then join this together with a scale. So now we have our first piece of 4. The second piece of 4 we can get by just marking out on 8, because 4 plus 4 is 8, and then drawing a line. Continue this way till you have reached the end of the strip. For making pieces of 10, take the yellow strip. Make sure that you align the left edge of the strip with this line and then mark out 10 both on the top as well as the bottom and draw a line. Now you have one piece of 10. Continue this way till you have made as many pieces of 10 as possible from the strip. When your strips are ready, mark out the numbers on each piece. Now these are the multiples of 4 and these are the multiples of 10. Paste these strips in the place given. Make sure that you align the left hand side correctly. Can you find out where these two meet? This is the first point where the multiples are meeting. So the least common multiple of 4 and 10 is 20.